and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about 4 moisturizers that you can use in this very hot summer. I'm sure all of you are feeling the heat and super sweaty through the day, so try out these very light textured creams and ensure that your skin stays moisturized while not feeling any kind of sweaty. Our first cream is the Claire's Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask. Now this comes in 2 sizes, a 90 ml tub and this adorable little 15 ml tub. You can pick whichever one you want. If you want to try out the cream or if you're traveling, then you can always give the mini a try. This one contains vitamin E, adenosine, niacinamide, all of which are fantastic for keeping your skin well nourished and bright. It does help improve a dull complexion, so if you do feel like the heat and the greasiness is really making your skin look tired and dull, then the Claire's Vitamin E Mask is going to be perfect for you. It has a very interesting lightweight pudding texture that when you apply to your skin becomes a super watery yet hydrating formula, and it doesn't feel greasy. It's the kind of moisturizer that will sink in immediately. So if you have a problem with heat, humidity, sweat, if you travel in local transport and you don't want anything that's going to feel like it's sitting on top of your skin, then I highly recommend you give the Claire's Vitamin E Mask a try. Plus, if you want to use it at night, you can apply a nice thick layer and wake up with healthy glowing skin in the morning. Now this cream is also great if you have dry skin. You can use it alongside another moisturizer if you feel like you need a little bit more, but it does add a certain glow to your skin. So if you are looking for a good brightening moisturizer, then this is going to be it. Our next recommendation is a fantastic centella based cream that's vegan and non-sticky. It's the Nola R Vegan Watery Moisturizer. Now this one is great for anyone with oily or acne prone skin because it does use a fantastic patented ingredient from a French cosmetics company called AC.net, which really helps calm down redness and acne and also helps keep your skin clear in the long run. And if you are someone who needs a fast absorbing cream and maybe you are more acne prone, then instead of the Claire's Vitamin E Mask, you could check this one out. It has a really nice lightweight texture just like its name, and it instantly sinks into your skin. You can apply this on top of any serum or toner and you won't feel like you are greasy or looking dull in the day, and it will keep your skin super nourished. For any of our makeup lovers, this is also a great cream to combine with a foundation and create this nice lightweight baby tint if you want. The Nola R Vegan Watery Moisturizer also contains fantastic ingredients for keeping your skin really well nourished and healthy. It contains hyaluronic acid, which helps keep it moisturized and hydrated through the day. It has centella that really calms down any irritation, redness, anything that affects your skin due to pollution and stress. It also contains niacinamide, and if you have any kind of marks or if you feel like your pores are very enlarged, then this is really going to help control and improve your skin appearance. And finally, it also has Houttuynia cordata, which is a fantastic ingredient for anyone with oily or acne prone skin because it really helps clear out any clogged pores and also keeps your skin relatively acne free. So if you want something that is going to work on your skin without causing any irritation or flaring up a breakout, then you must give the watery moisturizer a try. Now, speaking of Centella Asiatica, I cannot leave out the One Thing Centella Soothing Cream. This is a 100 ml tube and it contains key ingredients like Centella Asiatica and beta glucan. Now, both of these are fantastic for not only calming your skin down, but also keeping it really plump and well moisturized through the day. If you are looking for a really light cream, something that will easily sink into your skin, then this essence-like gel formula is going to be perfect for you. It really calms down any acne. You can see that I have a few few spots left over, and I really find that this or the Nola R cream are my go-to for when I'm breaking out. So if you are looking for something that is no fuss, fragrance-free, color-free, anything that's going to irritate your skin is out of here, then you must give the One Thing cream a try. It will also last a long time because due to its texture, it can easily spread. So you only need a little bit at a time and it instantly sinks into your skin. It doesn't feel sticky, there's no film left behind. So if you do have a humidity issue where you live and you want something that's not going to feel like a heavy layer, you must try out these moisturizers we've discussed. That's it for the day. If you are looking for a good cream that's not going to feel like too much at night, then we have a different option for you from our newest Japanese beauty line. It is the Kitao Matcha and Shea Night Hydration Mask. This one is a fantastic gel formula that is super hydrating and it really sinks into your skin. And you will feel like your skin has stayed hydrated and moisturized when you wake up in the morning. So if you're someone who needs a little extra moisturizer at night and you want something that's going to really repair and nourish your skin after all of the pollution, stress and any kind of dust out there, you must give this one a try. It spreads super easily and matcha is a very nourishing antioxidant and it ensures that your skin remains cool and calmed. It also contains a lot of other very nourishing superfoods, so you must definitely give this a try if you are looking for an all-round cream that will help you maintain your skincare. Well, that's it for today, and come back next time for more recommendations. We'll be talking a lot about what you can pick this summer, and if you have any more questions, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.